how to fix LinkedIn verification problems. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can fix the problem LinkedIn verification. So let's get started. So likewise, you can also face this problem by showing this interface on your LinkedIn after attempting a code on your phone. So on the solution part, you will have to do this. So first of all, you have to open your settings. So simply tap on the settings and go for the options like notification. So simply you can also search it from here. So for the notification, and from here you have to choose for the option notification, and here you have to click on this included app, and please make sure you have checked this section for all app. So specifically it might be on for the LinkedIn. If not, you have to turn on this LinkedIn section. So after that, your problem might be solved. So if not, you will have to do again or one thing. So simply you have to again back from the settings and go for the options like apps. So simply click on this app section, and from here you will have to find the LinkedIn. Okay, so after finding LinkedIn, just tap on it, and here you have to go for the options like storage. So simply tap on it, and from here you have to click on this section like clear data and clear cache. So simply click on this clear data and clear cache. So after you clear the data and cache of this LinkedIn app, your LinkedIn app will reset to its default. So now the problem might be solved. So if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.